Hello, I'm Don Meehan. I'm making this strong plea to Congress and the American people to act on the growing epidemic of corruption in our justice system that many refer to as the judicial mafia. And as only one of thousands of examples, in 1998 there was total corruption in an Orange County, Texas district court. Recently, with many months of intense investigation into the case of my nephew, Daniel Paul Meehan, in February 1998, I discovered extensive evidence of judicial and prosecutorial misconduct by Orange County prosecutor John Kimbrough and 128th District Court Judge Patrick Clark. My 200-page affidavit was filed in a new petition with new evidence that proved conspiring, witness tampering, and withholding crucial evidence from the jury by these two gentlemen. Kimbrough's star witness, paid jailhouse snitch Gary Wayne Harris, recanted and swore in an affidavit that Kimbrough did him favors and reduced a felony charge in exchange for him to lie against Daniel. Harris's recant was ignored by Kimbrough and Clark, as was my affidavit. Clark hid from Daniel's jury that he had been hearing a heated divorce case between the victim and her husband, and had in fact issued 2 severe restraining orders on the victim's husband. Also hidden from the jury was a heated custody battle between the husband and the victim, 1,300 miles away in Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. When I compared court records between the cases, I discovered a grave conflict of interest in the actions of Judge Clark, with failing to inform the defense and the jury of his involvement with both cases. Clark conspired with Kimbrough to withhold evidence about the husband's wife abuse and other matters. Also, there was a huge life insurance policy on the victim, and the husband filed what was proven to be forged documents that are probate. He had ample motives to kill his wife or have her killed. The facts also indicate that Daniel was indeed framed by Kimbrough. The Texas lab reported no fingerprints on the gun, nor gun residue on Daniel, and no residue test was taken on the victim, or else officers took the test and Kimbrough hid it. DNA testing of blood under the victim's fingerprints were inadequate and incomplete, and there was conflicting statements among officers regarding the entrance wound. According to the statistics, Daniel would have been near death after an alcohol consumption of 18 to 20 beers that night, and apparently in an alcoholic blackout, whereas anyone could have sneaked into his mobile home and used his licensed gun while he slept, wiped the prints in a matter of seconds, and fled. Had all the evidence regarding the actions of the victim's husband been revealed, there would have been more than reasonable doubt in the verdict. However, there was enough new evidence that John Kimbrough, conspiring with Judge Patrick Clark, has fraudulently repressed, withheld, and concealed evidence of another person who may have killed Selma Pieruccini or a possible suicide. Witnesses told of how Harris admitted that he lied on the stand. His own daughter in 2010 said that her father told her that Kimbrough had paid him some cash to lie about Daniel. She also said that he admitted killing people. By law, judges and prosecutors cannot be tried or sued for their actions, and prosecutorial misconduct is blessed by the U.S. Supreme Court and is not a crime. Complaints were filed with the Texas Bar Association and the Judicial Committee, the Conduct Committee, but both were dismissed, which sets up even more mistrust of the justice system. Those secret panels apparently protect their own. Unless these corrupt maneuvers by conspiring judges and prosecutors are corrected with new effective laws, Daniel and thousands of others' wrongful sentences will be to rot in jail, and the judicial mafia's cancer will continue to grow. Please help us with new laws. Thanks for watching.